Oh, guess where we're at? Oh yeah, we finally made it. Finally made it. We're here for that strawberry CNC freaking strawberry soda, bro. Is this the line? Look at how blind I am. They have the times right here. Oh yeah, guys, look what we finally got it. And I got 4. 1 for now and 3 for later. Oh, I love this soda. Yes, I'm so happy. Oh my god, it's so good. It's been like, what, how many weeks? Like a month? Trying to get this. The strawberry, the Polish, the fries. Got it all.